let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in the studio with Anna.
Hi!
And so this video came about because I was getting questions about my setup. You know, all the time I'm using strobes and big modifiers and stuff. I was asked if I could like simplify an entire shoot and use basically like just a speed light. So that's what we're going to do today. This setup is also stripped down. This is something that I believe you'd have if you have a studio, right? So like, for example, this large reflector is something I've been using for a very long time on my channel, and I also recommend it. It's really, really affordable. I think it's about maybe $40, $50. And then this is a light stand. I'm using a black C stand, but whatever C stand you have should work. And I also have an LED light. This is really not important, but I'm just adding it for like extra aesthetics. And then in the back is a black paper backdrop. These are also relatively affordable. You can check Amazon, or I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. And then I've also draped a black fabric. So these are not things that you can't readily find in the market. Like light stands are all over the place. Black fabrics you can easily find. And then paper backdrops are something that have become like a staple in photography. So if you're looking for it, it's not really that hard to find. Maybe finding Anna would be a little bit tough, but there's definitely like an Anna in your area. So this is the entire setup. For my camera setup, I'm using my Canon EOS, but basically any camera that you have, that you own, that you can attach a speed light to is also going to work. So I have attached my very old Godox V860 Mark II speed light, and this Atomos is not necessary. It's just because I want you guys to see what's happening on my camera. That is why I've attached this. So basically your camera and lens. I'm also using the Sigma 85 1.4. You can use a 1.8 if you have that. The focal length is the important factor here, not necessarily the fact that it's 1.4. But because it's 1.4, I will be shooting at 1.4. If you have a 1.8 lens, you can achieve like what I'm going to do today. So this is a really stripped down setup and shoot that we're going to do. So let's just jump right into the shoot. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention was this reflector. Most of the time in my shoots, I'm always using the silver side. But the reason why I'm choosing to use a black side is because I'm using a speed light, and this is just going to bounce off the roof, which is white. So the light is going to spread like everywhere. Most of the time when you're using modifiers, you have like perfect control of where your light should go. We don't have that luxury with the speed light. And so what I'm using this to do is basically just block the light that would probably just spill off the white wall back onto her to make the image brighter. So this is just going to create some form of contrast by deepening the shadows on her right, thereby giving us some form of control to like the light spill that's going to be happening in the studio. So that's the reason why I'm using the black side of the reflector. Yeah, let's start with the shoot. Okay. So, Anna, I think you've moved, so just move a little bit to your right.
Here?
Yes.
Still to the right.
Yes, I think you can even step forward. Okay, step forward again. And a little bit to your right again. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so currently my settings are 1/160, f1.6, and ISO is at 125. So I'll just take a test shot. Okay, currently my flash is at 1/4 power. I'm sure it's going to be very bright because of the aperture, but let me just take a test. All right, so you can see we have a lot of light spilling on Anna right now. So what I'll do is I'll just reduce my flash power. So from 1/4, I'll drop it down to 1/16 and take another test. Yeah, you can see that now the light on Anna is looking really, really good. But because, again, I mentioned this is a 1.4 aperture lens, I'll just drop it to 1.4 so I can squeeze that extra depth of field out of the camera. Take another test. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So Anna, now we can just freestyle and then get some interesting poses from you. Yeah, stunning, keep that. Ooh, Anna, this is really good. One more shot. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's why I said you should find you an Anna in your area.
Definitely.
Yeah, perfect. Hold that.
Really? Sorry.
Yeah.
That's for little.
Good baby.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's good. So like one leg in front, but still angle. No, the other way.
This way.
Yes. And then now you can, but then just move your hair. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Ooh. Can you turn your upper body towards perfect, just like that? And then just relax and own the pose. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit. Yeah. Nice. One more. Okay. So turn your body to me a little bit more. Yeah. Perfect. Just like that. And chin up a little bit. Yeah. Now this hand you can maybe just bring it.
Wait, this one?
Yeah, the right one. The right one. Just yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Hold that. And perfect. Hold that. Yeah, that's nice. Eyes to the camera. Yeah. Stunning. One more. Okay, now put your fingers together. Yeah. Keep that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look back into the camera again. Yes. Okay.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned a thing or two. And if you did, leave a comment down below or leave a like. It supports the channel. Also share so others can benefit from this video as well. As you saw in the video, we just used a speed light to create these amazing images. And the setup we did was also quite simple and also very affordable. So that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.
Woo!
Don't ever give up.
Love.